What's going on, everyone? My name is Jeff from Zappos.com, and today we're checking out the Homestead Snackle Box. It's from the North Face. Now, if you like going on picnics and you have lots of mouths to feed, or if you're just a big eater yourself, this is going to be perfect for you. Now, first, this is made from 100% polyester, so it's very durable. The exterior is water resistant, so you won't have to worry about spilling anything on it because it won't ruin it. Interior is waterproof, so it's going to be perfect for packing ice and liquids. You don't have to worry about that spilling because it's waterproof, so it's not going to damage anything on the interior. It might mess up the food you have in there, and that would be a big bummer, but you don't have to worry about messing up the bag. Now, this is also insulated, so it's going to keep the cold things cold, because who really wants to eat a warm salad on a picnic? Definitely not me. Now, you have two compartments, and these are separated, which is perfect, and it has plenty of space in there for all your food. You have some extra zippered mesh pockets on the flap here as well. Let's turn it around, take a look at the other side. Now, this side is made for all your cold items. This doesn't have any extra pockets, but it has plenty of space on the interior there for you. For carrying, you have these handles on the side, and you have these carry handles right here, so it's super convenient. And last but not least, since you'll be out there in nature to eat, be one with nature with this cool graphic that's on here, a bunch of birds, because, you know, birds are super cool. So get ready to get your snack on with this great bag from the North Face.